All right, welcome back, guys. The next thing that we're going to treat today is the use of find and replace feature. Okay, find and replace is very important when you're working on Microsoft Word document. So it can easily save you time and energy while you're working. If you're working on 2 to 3 to 5 pages, replacing something or a word or finding a word or a number of words within the document can be very easy. But in cases when you're working with 500 to 1000 pages document, it becomes very challenging. It can take you days to do simple replacement or simple finding of a given word within the document. So find and replace can get you to find symbols and even words within Microsoft Word in the most fastest way. It is designed as such. So to start with, all you need to do is to open your document. So assuming at this point, I want us to find the word word, okay, and replace it to maybe wordy or something. Assuming Microsoft Word is changing to Microsoft Wordy, we can easily do that within this document. This is a 3-page document, okay, but we can find out where do we have word, okay. So for example, you can see when you look around manually, you can be able to see word over here and you can see word over here, and you have to look around, keep looking for you to find word around, something like this, okay. So there are so many words, but then if you use the find and replace feature, it automatically fish out those words and can show you how to replace it and all that. So you can do that by using the shortcut key Control F, or you can just open your Microsoft Word document. At the top right over here, you see some search icon, okay. You just click on the search icon and you have a little drop down arrow. You just click on it and then you just come to replace, okay. So once you come to replace, it's going to open this and you will be able to find what and replace with what, okay. So you can start finding something here and you can replace it with something, okay, on your own. Or you can come to this gear icon, which I usually do, okay. You can come to the gear icon and you specify where do you want to find this document. Is it the whole word only, or ignore case? You can ignore the case and sounds like the word sounds alike, you can ignore it, or you can include it. All word forms you can search, okay. And you can come to advanced find and replace, which I usually go with. Advanced find and replace, you can come to find or you can come to replace with over here, and then you can see find and replace together, okay. So the first thing is you have to specify what kind of word you want to find and how do you want to replace it. So for example, we want to find the word, the letter or the word WORD, which is word, and then we can replace it with something. But let's try to find and specify the advanced features, what it should find. Come to this small arrow, click on it, and then you can search down to this these features. You can match case if you want. You can use wildcards or sounds like and find all word forms, match prefix, match suffix, and all this you can specify. But for this tutorial, I would like to limit it to these two: match case and find whole words only. Okay, whole words at the same time only. So this word, Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's find it. How many is it in the entire document? So you can see it. You can find you can see one here. You can find the next one. You can see it has reached the end of it. So if you remove this case, because we can see some of the wordings are case sensitive, the W is capital letter. So if we remove match case, we can just try to find, and you can see there are many of them. Okay, there are so many. You can find next, and once you click, you can find the next one. You can just click to find the next one, the next one, the next one. You can see there are quite many, and it will just keep highlighting for you. And at the same time, you can just go ahead and say replace with something, and let's say replace with wordy. Okay, so let's say replace with wordy. Anywhere you see word, you just replace it with wordy, and it's going to carry out that feature for you. So you can just go ahead and replace all at the same time, or replace one by one. Okay, find next and replace, or replace one by one. Replace all is going to replace everything. We made one replacement, that's for this. Okay, do you want to continue searching? You say yes. We can say all done. We have made 16 replacements. Okay, so that means there are 16 words in this document and it has replaced it with 16 wordy. Okay, so let's click on OK and let's try to find out whether it is true or not. So let's check out the document. So you can close on this and you can see it is true. We can see wordy here, wordy here. Okay, you can see quite a lot of them. You can see wordy here, wordy here. So everywhere you see word, it has been replaced with wordy. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to automate your editing and replace things, find things and replace. Okay, so you can just do that accordingly from here directly, or you can replace the wordy on its own, wordy, and replace it with word. So you can see by just merely typing find wordy, you can see it has highlighted all the wordy within the document. So you can see it very easily. You can see where the wordies are and you can replace them with whatsoever you want. At any given point, you click a particular word, it will show you exactly where it is and the paragraph it is contained. You can see it, and you can see this one as well. You can click to see any of them if you want, and you can replace them now with word. Okay, you can just go ahead and replace them with word, but capital letter. Okay, so replace all, and you can see it has made 16 replacements as well. So we have replaced wordy with word. So you can play around with the features. Once you master find and replace, it becomes very easy for you to edit your documents, to find whatever feature, whatever symbol you are targeting and replace. For example, I want to find the word table, and you can see where it is being contained. Table this way, this way, this way, this way, and this way. And you can replace it also with word. You can just replace, and you can see it made a total of 5 replacements, which is what we have here. Okay, so this is how to use the find and replace feature. I think that does it for find and replace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.